In the previous podcast, we discussed how arborists manage trees around utilities and balance safety with tree health. Today we're going to focus on a practice that connects everything we've covered so far: tree inspection and monitoring. Because arboriculture is not just about performing tasks like pruning or planting. It's about continuously observing trees and making informed decisions over time. Tree inspection is the process of evaluating a tree's condition. Monitoring is the ongoing process of tracking changes in that condition. Together, they form the foundation of effective tree management. Let's start with inspection. A tree inspection typically begins with a visual assessment. Arborists look at the entire tree, from the roots to the crown. They examine the trunk, branches, leaves, and surrounding site conditions. They are looking for signs of stress, defects, pests, disease, and structural issues. At the root level, arborists may look for exposed roots, soil disturbance, or signs of decay. At the trunk, they look for cracks, cavities, or areas of decay. In the canopy, they assess leaf condition, branch structure, and the presence of deadwood. Inspection is not just about identifying problems. It is also about understanding overall tree condition. Is the tree growing normally? Is it showing signs of decline? Is it adapting well to its environment? Now let's talk about monitoring. Monitoring involves repeating inspections over time. Trees are living organisms. Their condition changes. A tree that appears healthy today may develop issues in the future. Regular monitoring allows arborists to detect changes early. For example, a small crack observed during one inspection may expand over time. Early detection allows for timely intervention. Monitoring also helps evaluate the effectiveness of management practices. If a tree has been pruned, treated, or protected, follow-up inspections can determine whether those actions were successful. Now let's look at inspection frequency. Not all trees require the same level of monitoring. High-risk trees, such as those near buildings or high-use areas, may require more frequent inspections. Trees with known defects or health issues should also be monitored closely. Lower-risk trees in less used areas may require less frequent evaluation. Now let's talk about documentation. Inspection findings should be recorded. This may include written notes, photographs, or digital records. Documentation helps track changes over time and supports decision-making. It also provides a record of management actions. Now let's consider tools and technology. While visual inspection is the most common method, additional tools may be used. These can include sounding tools to detect internal decay or advanced equipment to assess structural integrity. GIS systems may be used to track inspection data across large tree populations. Now let's connect this to risk management. Tree inspection is closely tied to tree risk assessment. Identifying defects early allows arborists to reduce risk through pruning, support systems, or other interventions. Monitoring ensures that risks are managed over time. Now let's connect this to urban forestry. Cities often manage thousands or even millions of trees. Inspection and monitoring programs help prioritize maintenance and allocate resources efficiently. They allow urban foresters to move from reactive management to proactive planning. For the ISA Urban Forest Professional Exam, focus on inspection principles. You should understand what arborists look for during inspections, the importance of monitoring over time, how inspection frequency relates to risk, and the role of documentation. Questions may involve identifying signs of tree problems or selecting appropriate inspection strategies. Tree inspection and monitoring are about awareness. They allow arborists to understand how trees are changing and to respond before problems become severe. In the next podcast, we'll continue with arboricultural practices by looking at tree inventories and data management, and how inspection data is used to guide large-scale urban forest decisions. You've been listening to the Arborist-podcast. Our goal is to grow our collective knowledge, one domain at a time. If you enjoyed the podcast, please like, share, and subscribe to help us keep this momentum. Until next time, let's keep growing this community together.